Okay, so hello guys. We'll continue our log unit for today. So hope you guys understand everything we teach you for the past week. If don't worry. We will like if you have any question, just like email us or anything like that. So yeah. So I know we already practiced those problem like last week, but we will use those problem as a warm up today. So maybe you guys can try those problem by yourself first for this time, and then we will check answer at the end. So just do those two questions. So I will give you guys about 1 more minute, and we will get the answer ready started here. Okay, so let's get started here. Elaine, I will send the slides link to you later. So Okay, so first of all, hope you guys remember all the rules that we teach us for last week, I think. So if you don't worry, we'll go back to here. So we see that here log b base b n plus log base bn is times, right? So let's go back here. So don't worry about the last question here. So when you have add, that means you multiply those together. But first, you can see that like here and here, you can change to a same number, which is log base 2 to the third power. Yeah. And then plus log 2 to the second power. Okay. And then you can like what do you call it, like multiply them together, so which will be shown right here. So hope you guys understand it. You just bring the 3 down right here, and then you just add those together. And then remember here log base 2 and here is cancel out with a 1. So log base 2 and 2 is equal to 1. So you understand how the step works. And yeah. Okay. So Polo, do you wanna do number 2? I mean, yeah.
Sure. So for for number 2, you have log base 3 162 minus log 3 2. So basically wait okay so log, so what you want to do is you want to wait, can you give me, okay, what you want to do, wait, all right, yeah, so basically you want to simplify it, so it's log 3 of 100. Oh wait, no, you use the rule. So the rule says that if you have the log of something minus log of something else, as long as they have the same base, it's equal to the log with the base of that thing divided by the thing you're subtracting it by. So by doing that, you can simplify it into a log 3 of 81. So you know that 81 is 9 times 9, which is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, so you get log 3 3 to the 4th power, so that's equal to that's just equal to 4, since yeah.
Cool. Okay. So let's move on here. And then here's the other thing that we remember from last week, just to make sure you guys get it. Natural log times e equal to 1, and e to the natural log's power x is equal to x, which means that e to the natural log is 1, and then you just bring like whatever your x is down here, and then yeah. Okay, so here are some problem that we're using natural log, just the rules that we learned here. So what about we can do one together with Marco?
Yeah, so natural log of e, since natural log is just e log of e, that would mean that natural ln of e would be 1, while log of 10 would be also 1, since log of 10 uses base 10, and then it would be plus log of 1, and I'm not really sure what log of 1 is, but Basically it will just simplify to log of 1. Oh, I think it's -2, maybe.
I think log of 1 is 0.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
0. Just a reminder from Alan, so that's cool. Okay, so what about we can do one more together? Well, like, yeah, this one is easy. So we already know that from the rules that ln is equal to 1. So it's just 1/10 after you simplify. So cool. So what about you guys can try 3 and 4 by yourself, and then we can check answer after you're done. So I will give you guys like 1 minute since it's not that hard. So yeah, go ahead, try it. Okay, so if you're not done, please pause your video and then let's check answer right here. So Sophia, do you wanna go over like the first one?
So here you're multiplying, and then log of that the natural log is 1, and then 10 is 10. So 10 times 1.
Cool. And then go over 2 also, since it's short.
So since e is squared, and then you just find the natural log of that, and that you get 2.
Cool. Okay, so let's moving on. You can always go back if you like didn't understand. So just make sure here. Okay, so here's a answer step by steps. So if you don't understand, okay. So here is our new like lessons here. So it's change of base. So Alan, do you want to go over this one?
Yeah. So change of base is basically like you can convert it. Oh, sorry. You can make it like you can change it to any base you want by basically saying you're taking the log base of like just say b, and then taking the x and you're dividing it by the initial base you had, I guess, and they're always equal to each other no matter what base you put. Or you could also say that you could take the natural log of your x divided by the natural log of your base, and those are both just properties, I guess, of log.
Yeah, so let's look at an example right here. I will make one up actually. So log, let's say 5, and then x is 28. So here's your like log thing, and then you want to change to like change of base to right here. So what you do is add log. So for b you can choose any number, but I recommend you choose 10 because like log 10 is just log. So and then x is your 28. and then log 10, 5. And then make sure your like denominators b and then this b are the same. So we have log base 5 28, and then we change to natural log forms. Like this one will be natural log 28 over natural log 5. Okay. Cool. Okay. Okay, so here is more practice about this. So, okay, I will go over like number 1 and number 2 with you guys, and then the rest of it just try by yourself, and then we can check answers. Okay, so the first one we have log base 5 and 12. So right here, if you didn't got down at your notes, but I recommend you got down, write it anywhere, but you have this formula. So log B, again, you can choose any number, but I recommend use 10. So log base 10, 12 over log base 10, 5. And then here, log, okay, I will change a base, just let you guys know. Log base 8, 938 over log base 8, 7. Okay. If you want to add a parentheses, that will be better. Cool. So this one is not that hard, but I will still give you guys a 1 minute. But if you don't cannot finish at 1 minute, just pause the video anywhere and then go ahead and finish your answers. So okay, so let's go over the answer. Sophia, go over this one, and then go ahead.
So like it's the log, and then for the base you can use any number, like she said. and then it's 15, and then over log base 4.
Cool. Okay. So Marco, for this one right here.
So you would do uh log equals log of 1 over 27, and then it would be um actually I don't really know this one.
Okay, so yeah, no problem. So just use change base formula right here. And then so I choose 10 yearly, so log base 10 9 over log base 10 1 over 7. Oh, 27, I mean. Okay. Cool. Okay, next one, Paulo.
Okay, so for this one, what you want to do is you want to use the log base formula thing again. So then you get log natural base, so you don't have to write it basically. 32 root 2 over 1 4. So wait, yeah, so then you get 32 root 2 over 1 times 1 over 8, no wait, times 4 over 1, and then you get yeah, yeah, 128 root 2, yeah.
Cool, okay. So if you don't understand, just pause the video. Here is the final answer. You can check by yourself again. And then just a reminder, I think for the answer, they also use log 10 base 10 right here. So if you simplify that, it just a log. So if you use like log base 8, like any number if you want, it's totally fine. Okay. Okay, so next. Let me see. Okay. So actually, here's our final slides, but we can do some practice problem from the previous slides. So from here, write each equation to the exponential form. Hope you guys remember how to do it. So let me just like do one example here. So do you guys remember the E thing that last time I teach you guys? Like right here. So you come to 6 first, 2 second, and then 36. It will be 6 to the second power equal to 36. Okay. So go ahead and try 2, 3, 4 by yourself. And then yeah. Okay, so if you are not done yet, please pause the video. So Alan, for number 2, okay, never mind.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, hello.
Yeah, okay, okay. Number 2, yeah.
In exponential form, so basically just 289 to the 1/2 power equals 17, which is
Cool.
just square root of 289, I guess.
Yeah. Okay. So let's go over 3 with Marco and 4 with Polo, okay?
So 3 would be 14 to the power of -2 is equal to 1 over 196.
Polo for 4.
Alright, so for, yeah, wait, 3, okay, so for number 3, you want to do, you want to write it in exponential form, so then you get the base, which is 14 to the power of
Number 4.
-2. Wait,
Okay.
what? Oh, wait, for number 4, okay. So for number 4, you get 3 to the power of 4 is equal to 81.
Cool. That's pretty easy, not that hard. So check your answer here again. Okay, so for now we're gonna do exponential form to log form. So let's show an example here. So last time I also used E thing. So you went to 64 first, log base 64. And then you went to 8 equal to 1/2. Which, if you check your answer again, that should be this one, right? So yeah, pretty not that hard. So okay, try 6, 7, and 8 by yourself, and then we will check answer after you're done. Okay, so let's go over number 6 with Sophia.
Okay, so basically it's going to be log base 12 and then 144 is 2.
Yeah, okay. And then Paulo for number 7.
Okay, so for number 7, you have 9 to the power of negative 2 equals 1 over 81. So the base is 9, so you do log 9 1 over 81 equals negative 2. Yeah.
Cool, cool. Okay. So last one, just do a E. Also, no matter if it's a fraction, decimal, whatever you got, but do your E. And then 1 over 12 is your base. And then 144 equal to 2. And then if you want to check answer, just do E again. And it should be same right here. So here is your final answer should be. So check your answer again. So our goal is that like you guys afterward like lesson, you guys should like kind of or totally know everything we're teaching. So if you have like any question, just feel free to email us, or if you have time at the lessons tutoring time, so just like pop on into Zoom, we can answer the question for you. And then yeah. Cool. Okay, so here is more question, but I think okay, so here is what you should do. First of all, set it to x equal to x, and then you do your ease thing also. So 4x equal to 64. And then basically just solve for x. And that I believe is 4. No. I mean 3. Yeah. So your x, you should got 3 right here. Okay. Just do the same thing as the rest of it. Okay, so let's get quicker right here. Since I want you guys to practice more problems. So if you didn't finish, just pause the video and then finish your answer, and then you can check your answer, okay? So I'm gonna we're not gonna explain for this one since we already like do it before. So just check your answers right here. Okay, cool. Okay. Here are some rules. Hope you guys already remember it, right? So yeah. So let's practice those problems together. So first 2 is gonna go with Alan.
Okay. Simplify each expression.
Yeah,
So-
just simplify, yeah.
So you know log base 12 of 144 is 2, and 12 squared is 144. Or you could also I think you could do it the other way by yeah, yeah, like that, and then yeah, and then 32 is the same thing. You get 17.
Okay, and then 33 and 34 was Marco.
So 33 log x of 72, and then it's x to the power of that. So, that would mean that, I don't really know this one, or, yeah. I don't really remember this. It was like a while back.
Okay, that's fine. So you just cancel right here, bring 72 down. Your final answer should be got 72. And then for this one, it's a little bit different, but don't worry. So you see, your number is 9, and then to the log 3 power 20. And then what should you guys got? The final is 400. But first of all, you bring. So your goal is that make this number and this number be same. So it's 3 to the second power. Now log 320, right? And then you have 3 and log 3 right here is same. And then you left off with 2 and 20. So 20's square is 400. So that's how you got 400. Okay, hope you guys understand it. Okay, so I think that's everything. But for log unit, I think you guys can just like memorize the rules and formulas that we're like teaching you guys. And then I think it should be it for log. But those log are very basic. In the future, you will use those your knowledge about logs in like actually word questions. And yeah, I hope that is helpful for you guys. So yeah, I think that's it for today's lessons.